Okay, so for the first exam video, we're going to talk about scale model. So we're going to make a story problem and then teach you guys how to solve it. So this is my story problem. So we had to so what we had to do was find the scale diameter of Jupiter by making our own scale diameter of Earth, and then using that to find the scale diameter of Jupiter. So if I wadded a piece of paper up representing Earth that has a scale diameter of 3 centimeters, and Earth's true diameter is 12,756 kilometers, what is the scale diameter of Jupiter? And then the true diameter of Jupiter is 142,984 kilometers. So this is the solution right here. So this is how you want to set the equation up. You want to do the scale diameter of Jupiter or the scale diameter of Earth, but we don't know the scale diameter of Jupiter, so that's going to be our x, and then that's going to be equal to the true diameter of Jupiter divided by the true diameter of Earth. So this is how I set the equation up. We're trying to find x, which is the unknown, which is scale diameter of Jupiter. We know the scale diameter of Earth because we made it, which was 3 centimeters, and then we have the true diameter of Jupiter, which is 142,984 kilometers, divided by the true diameter of Earth, which is 12,756 kilometers, and then we solve for x. So we have to get x by itself. So we do cross multiplication first. So the true diameter of Earth times x is equal to the scale diameter of Earth times the true diameter of Jupiter. So to get x by itself, we have to divide 12,756 on both sides. And then so x would equal this equation right here. And then doing the equation, you get the scale diameter of Jupiter is 100.88 centimeters. Thanks for watching.